welcome back to my channel. This is Danny B. Hey y'all, and I am back with another video for you guys, and today I will be reviewing Sensational's What Lace collection in the style Solana. I know I am late to the party, y'all, but I'm here. I wanted to come and join this party because I had my eye on her for a while. This unit was sent to me from Sam's Beauty, so thank you, Sam's Beauty, for sending me this unit to review. So let's get into it. Okay, Solana is in the color 1B. And she is a 13x6 ear-to-ear deep part. She is pre-plugged, and she does come with baby hair. She comes with two clips, two combs on the side, the adjustable strap in the back, and a comb also in the back. And you guys, this is like one of the nicest synthetic wigs I have ever had in my life. Like, she is gorgeous, and I'm gonna say right away, this is a must-have unit. She feels so good. She's really soft. She's mixed with yaki and silky, so she's a great blend of both. She's not too shiny. This 1B is just gorgeous. Like, I'm glad I got the 1B color because I was looking at other colors, but this one just is so pretty and it's so natural. And what lace? What lace? Like, this is my, what lace? Where, boo? Where? Show me where. It's those big old effortless curls with the long layers in the front. Like, I love that style. That's the type of style that I will rock every day. Her lace is so easy to deal with. Like, this unit was not hard to deal with at all. It didn't take much to blend in after I put the foundation on there. The hairline is pre-plucked. It comes with baby hairs. Like, what more can you ask for? Like, I am not myself right now. She is freaking pretty. She is really, really long. She is about 22 to 24 inches on me. You can put heat on her up to 400 degrees. I did have to flatten out this part right here. It was a little humpy, but I added concealer down my part. She does shed because she's shedding. I do have quite a few strands on me, but she's not steering me away from her. Like, I am so in love with this unit. Like, even if she shed, as long as I'm not bald headed when I finish combing her eye, honey, I would buy her again and again and again and again and again. She does tangle. She does get tangly, so I wouldn't say this was an everyday wig or everyday work wig or something you can wear all the time, because she will get very tangly on you if you did decide to wear her a lot. But I would say she's one of them wigs you pull out on special occasions when you want to go somewhere, or when you're trying to, you know, go out and have fun and you want to wear her on a night out or a day out with the girls or your husband or your honey or whoever. This is one of those wigs. She is really nice. I hope she lasts for a while. Let me know what you guys think of Solana. I know a lot of you guys have already tried her, and if you have not tried her, honey, go get your hands on Solana because she is a must-have. And I freaking love her. She is in the top 10 of my best units. She probably might be number 1 and number 2. I'm not even gonna front. Like, she way up there. If you want to see me styling her, then just continue watching. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one.